Pastor Mechi here again, and this is Rhapsody Clicks. Think about it. If there was someone who knew all your thoughts, who knew everything that you're thinking about, you've ever thought about, you've ever done, think about it. Will that person be able to love you? There's such a person, and he loves you perfectly. The Holy Spirit loves you, and he expresses it. Today's Rhapsody Realities will show you how not just to love, but to express it. Go right in and dig it. I want you to become a partner with the Rhapsody Realities today. Help me send Rhapsody Realities to 20 million people this year. Use the link showing right now on the screen and click to become a Rhapsody Realities partner. Also, remember to download the Rhapsody app if you don't have it yet. This is Rhapsody Clicks, and you're going to have a fantastic day. I love you. God bless you.